Hey guys, oh sorry girls, this opportunity is only for girls and especially those girls who will be graduating in 2021 and 2022. So mostly 2022 girls must be watching this video. If you are from 23 or 24 batch, you can also watch because it will give you an idea what kind of coding contest you are going to participate in the next year or third year itself. She Codes is a coding contest brought to you by Indeed. Indeed is a global job recruitment platform like Naukri.com. It is going to be a 2-day coding contest from 11th of September to 13th of September. Students, girl students who are graduating in 21-22 are eligible for it from India, Singapore and Japan. You must be from engineering colleges only. This is a solo event, so you have to participate alone in it. You can use any programming language. Test will be conducted on Metal platform. It's also a coding platform which is used very widely in lots of companies for hiring. Let's look at the timeline for this contest. Registration will open at 1st of August. It will close at 10th of September, 11:59 IST रात के 12 बजे, and event will start at 9 AM 11th of September. Next day 9 AM event will start and it will end at 9 PM at 13th of September. So I think 48 hours this contest will run and results will be announced on 15th of September. Let's look at the prize. First prize is Apple iPhone 12. Yes. Very exciting. Apple iWatch SE will be given to second prize. Second winner, Amazon Echo 4th generation will be given to third prize winner. $100 Amazon will be gift card will be given to 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th prize winners, and top 50 winners will get Indeed certificate which you can add in your resume. So if you want to know more, you can look at the facts. You can visit the website which is available in the description. You can also connect with me on Instagram. Now you must be wondering like why you should join this coding contest, because it will definitely give you an experience and idea how coding contests work, because when you are going for internships and job, you will be more accustomed and more used to giving coding contest in a limited time period. So definitely it's worth a try. Definitely go register for it. Link is there in the description and try your best.